Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Nearity video conference device that I think it's amazing. Not only because it could be really good for offices environments or just professional environments, but if you're working from home and need something reliable, great quality, and with amazing technical specifications, I think this could be a really good one for you to try. So I want to show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds and how to use it and of course all the features. But this thing is kind of like a beast, I have to say. It comes with a 2K resolution camera inside. It also comes with a speaker down here at the bottom part, a touch panel right here with all the functions in the bottom, plus a remote controller, which I think is extremely convenient. I'm going to show you what you get out of the box right here in a few seconds. But it also comes with a wide angle camera. This thing is ready to go for applications like Teams, Google Meets, or many others that you're going to use again in a professional environment or also in a working from home environment. So I bring you on a close-up so you can actually see the size of the device. This is the actual size. This is my hand. So just for references, I have to say that it's not super heavy, but it's heavy enough to actually have some weight at the bottom and not be kind of like flimsy or something like that. I also like the fact that it comes with this rubber pad right here at the bottom. So that's actually really good for putting it kind of like in a glass table or something like that. And also this right here for a tripod. So you can actually mount it on a tripod if you need. And out of the box, you're going to find the instruction manuals. You can read it, of course, but this is most for kind of like the specifications. I want to say it is super easy to use, super straightforward. You're also going to find the power cable right here. You're also going to find the USB-A to USB-C, also USB-C to USB-C cable for connection. You can use a Thunderbolt port or just like a regular USB-C port. And right here, you're going to find the remote controller, which I think is extremely convenient to have. So let's connect it right now. So right now I have it connected via the USB-C to my laptop right here, and of course the power cable, and I have the app right here open so you can see me on that screen. Let me actually make kind of like a close-up. So I do want to show you the responsiveness of the remote controller. So right now I'm going to actually go up, super nice and easy, and then I'm going to go down so you can see it right there. I'm going to go left, and I'm also going to go right. So you can see my tripod and everything there, which I think it's super nice to have this and this kind of like convenience to have this and do the recording. You can mute as well. You can go left, you can go right. You can put the volume up, the volume down, zooming in, zooming out, which zooming in, you're going to find that it's extremely easy. Just press the button right here. Keeps going on and on. So you can see it has a pretty neat zoom, I have to say, and you can zoom out as well. Again, really nice and easy. And as I was saying before, it comes equipped with a 2K resolution, but also a full frame Full HD. So that's really convenient for those situations like, I want to say like meetings, like work meetings, professional meetings, or something like that. Or if you want to just meet with someone else via the apps. I'm going to zoom in, or actually go up, then go down a little bit, go left as well, and go right. And then I'm going to zoom in, as I was telling you before. Zooming in. And I'm going to zoom out, just like that. I can mute as well, just like that. There is a ring, like a red ring in the camera right there, which is going to tell you about the red ring when it's muted and blue ring when it's actually functioning and working properly. So I'm going to go back to the laptop right now. One more time, I think this camera could be a really nice thing to have just for every situation, like as I was telling you before, just work from home setup or just a professional setup or just whatever you want to have it, and having the convenience of this quality right here, 2K quality, full frame, Full HD, the speaker as well, the ring that's going to tell you if it is working or if it's muted, and the remote control, which I think it's amazing to have, and also the wide angle capabilities to have like a wider kind of like angle of the whole table if you're meeting with people or just like having a big conference call. I think this thing is, again, a must-have for those situations. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.